how to locate a clip on a timeline of Premiere Pro on your hard drive. So let's say you finished editing your video and you want to delete it. Well, you can click on the clip, right click, and reveal in Explorer. That Explorer is this one. It's File Explorer from Windows. So reveal in Explorer, and there is the clip. It was on my desktop. I knew where it was, but if the desktop contains, let's say, 100 files, then which file to delete? How to find the desired one? If your file is not located at a easily reachable path, then how to find it? The same thing, right click on it, reveal in Explorer, and from there you can delete it physically from your disk. And then, of course, the file cannot be filed and it's missing. Just cancel it and you can select all the files from the project window, Ctrl A, and you can delete it